Today we have a leaking garden tap, and to do the repair we really just need to change the tap washer. To change a leaking garden tap washer, firstly switch off the water at the mains. Make sure when you do this that washing machines or appliances are not running, as suddenly switching off the water while they are running can damage the appliance. Open the tap to release water still in the pipes. Now remove the spindle on the tap. Tap it a few times with a hammer to release any corrosion that may have formed in the tap over time. Loosen the spindle. You can use water pump pliers to hold the base of the tap if necessary. Now we can see the rubber washer on the bottom of the spindle. Undo the nut holding the washer in place. Take the old washer to the hardware store and buy a new washer of the same size. Fit the new washer and replace the nut, and tighten by hand. As you get to the end, tighten the spindle using a shifting spanner. Once again, don't over-tighten the tap. Now close the tap. Switch on at the water mains and open the tap to let the water run through the system and to clear any air bubbles. Close the tap and check for any leaks. This is a very easy job that anyone can do. You'll pay for the cost of the washer, which is really nothing, and you'll save yourself the cost of a plumber's call-out fee.